Hello, what is up, my YouTube fam? This is Jess Lifts a Lot, and today I'm going to take you through a very beginner-friendly workout. You can do this at home, you can do this at the gym, you can do this at the park. If you're new to working out, this is going to be perfect for you. So before you get started with a workout, definitely make sure that you're warming up. You can do that on a treadmill, you can do that on a step climber, you can do jump rope, you can do whatever really feels good. Just make sure you're warming your body up. After you're warmed up, go ahead and start stretching. Do some research on some really good dynamic stretches before you get started. I made the mistake for about the first, I would say 8 months of working out where I was just doing static stretches because it felt so good. But I did end up injuring myself because static stretches pull the muscles out way too much. So make sure that you're doing dynamic stretches and that you're doing movements that mimic the movements that you're going to do during your workout. So yes, I highly recommend doing research on that before getting started. Next, we're going to activate the glutes, which I highly recommend. I don't care if you have the biggest peach on the face of the earth. If you have a little bum like I do, you definitely want to activate those glutes. It's just going to make you stronger, okay? It's going to make your core stronger. It's going to make your glutes stronger, your legs stronger. So do not skip activating your glutes. I do have another video on that, which I will link above. For this workout, I'm going to be using a yoga mat, a 5-pound, a 15, 2 15s, a 50-pound kettlebell. If you're new to kettlebells or new to lifting weights, period, don't use a 50, lower that to maybe like a 30. I'm starting off with compound movements, which are going to be the squat and the deadlift. Compound movements work your entire body, which is why I highly recommend doing them at the beginning of your workout. You're going to be working your legs, your core, your bum, your arms, your back. Compound movements are my jam. So starting off with squats and then moving into deadlifts. For the deadlift, this is a stiff leg deadlift, so you want to really push that bum back. Keep those legs stiff with an athletic bend in the knee, a slight bend in the knee, and really focus on squeezing your bum when you are coming up. Next, we're moving into bicep curls. Again, here you want to also make sure that you're keeping your bum tight when you're doing these movements, keeping that back engaged, so keeping those back muscles engaged, your lats. This is a 2-hand overhead press. This is going to work your arms, but also keep your bum tight as well. Next is the shoulder press. You want to make sure that you're keeping that back, that lat engaged as well as you're pushing up. So notice the movement of my arm here. This is actually one of my favorite. This is a 1-arm kettlebell row. You want to stagger your stance here and really make sure that you are feeling this pull in your back, in your arms. You don't want to feel this in your lower back, so you really want to make sure that you're keeping your core tight here. Do that on each arm. This is a staggered stance deadlift, and I'm really new to this one, so my form is probably a little whack, but I tried, you know what I'm saying? And I actually really like this movement. This is really going to work your butt as well, really your entire body. I would consider this a compound movement as well. You want to do this on each leg and really squeeze that butt and just find the stance that works for you. And it probably will take a little bit of practice. I don't know what I'm smiling at here, probably because I'm just like, this feels weird. All right, now let's get on the floor with the kettlebell floor press. So you want to do it on each arm here as well. I found that it really helps to just stick my shoulders down into the ground. Just imagine that they're being pressed into the ground and pushing up that way. Keep that core tight as well. A variation of this is you can use both hands, okay? If that helps. Cheese. Why am I smiling? All right, next we're gonna go into Russian twists and work those obliques and the abs and all that good stuff. For this one, you just twist side to side, you know? That's it. Then we're going to do kettlebell crunch. So you just hold that weight over your head. This one's great because you're working your arms, you're working your tummy and everything. If you want more of a challenge, you can stick those legs up in the air like you just don't care. I actually really like this one where you stick your legs up in the air. So really just focus on squeezing those abs here. And then that's it. Now, this workout should take you about 30 minutes. Obviously, I shortened it here for you, and now I'm just like cheesing into the camera because I'm goofy AF. And when you get finished with your workout, make sure that you cool your body down, and that's it. This is such a great workout. I had so much fun doing this and filming this. Let me know if this is something that you are interested in, if you're interested in more like beginner-friendly workouts, because I would definitely love to include more of those in here for you. I want to thank you all so very much for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe if you want to see more.